When it comes to household and workshop maintenance, WD-40 and CRC Multi-Use Lubricant are two of the most recognized names. At first glance, they may seem interchangeable, but each is designed for different tasks. Understanding their unique strengths can help you select the right product for lubrication, corrosion protection, cleaning, or freeing stuck components. WD-40 is formulated to displace moisture from metal surfaces. This makes it especially useful when dealing with damp conditions or seized components. Its formula focuses more on penetration and release than on sustained lubrication. CRC Multi-Use Lubricant is designed to minimize friction over extended periods. It supports smooth operation in moving assemblies. This makes it a better match for parts that need consistent motion without interruption. CRC provides a thicker lubricating film that maintains effectiveness. It reduces wear during repeated use. The formulation supports consistent motion by maintaining separation between contact points. This helps mechanical components operate quietly and efficiently for longer durations. WD-40 offers a thin lubricating layer that works well for short-term movement. It helps parts break free quickly, but does not remain effective under constant motion. Over time, the slickness fades as the product disperses. WD-40 slows corrosion by removing moisture from exposed metal. This helps prevent immediate surface damage. It is especially effective when metal has been recently exposed to water or condensation. However, its protective effect is not meant for long-term exposure. CRC creates a barrier that shields metal from air and humidity. The coating remains in place longer. This added staying power helps protect parts in storage or continuous use. As a result, it delivers stronger resistance against oxidation over time. WD-40 works well as a grime remover. It loosens sticky residue and cuts through grease buildup. This makes it useful during restoration or prep work. It also helps clear surfaces before applying heavier lubricants. CRC focuses less on surface cleanup. Its main role is maintaining movement rather than dissolving contaminants. The formula is optimized for smooth operation instead of deep cleaning. Any cleaning effect is secondary to its lubricating function. Neither product is universally better, each excels in specific roles. CRC Multi-Use Lubricant provides long-term lubrication, wear reduction, and sustained mechanical protection. While WD-40 is ideal for moisture displacement, cleaning, and freeing stuck parts.